Hey, once again, welcome back. And here in this video, I'm going to give you the small introduction about C language. The C programming language was developed at AT and Bell Laboratories in USA in 1972. This language has been designed and written by Dennis Ritchie. C is very robust programming language and has a rich set of built-in function. C is simple to learn and easy to use. Now, how? Here is the concept that C is simple to learn and easy to use. Why this is so? That we will learn in the coming videos in detail. C language is suitable for writing both system software and application program and business package. Here we have to understand the term system software. The software that is used by the system for its working are called as the system software, and C can be used for writing the system software that is mostly the operating system we are talking about. And the application program means the program that is designed for a specific application or called as the application program or application software. So C language can be used for the application software also, as we can talk about like accounting software, sales software, or we can say that bird processing software or presentation software. They are all comes under the category of application program. They are having their own specific application. Then is for the business packages. Business packages mean to say that like making ERP, enterprise resource planning, and like all these type of packages. So C can be used for all these, writing all these kind of software or programs. The Unix operating system was also developed at Bell Laboratories around the same time. The C is strongly associated with Unix. In fact, we can say that Unix is coded almost entirely in C. We have already seen, or we can say that programming languages are categorized as high level programming languages and low level programming languages. So here we have to understand the concept of high level programming languages and low level programming language. If we talk about our computer or if we talk about our PC or system, they understand only low level language. Okay, but the level language are not understand by the common people like you and me. So what we have to do, we have to write our program in high level language, and that program has to be converted into low level language so that computer can understand them. And for this we have to use the concept of compiler. So what is basically compilers are the program that convert the high level programs into the low level programs. So C language lies between these two categories. We can say that C is high level language as well as the low level language. The C compiler has the capabilities of machine language and the feature of a high language. Initially C was mainly used for the academic environment, but with its growing popularity, C is now the one of the most popular high level language, and it is running under many operating system. It means to say that we using C, we can run C on Windows environment, Unix environment, Linux environment, and more. C language is highly portable. Here we have to understand highly portable mean to that if we write a C program on one computer, okay, that program can be run on another computer using small or no changes in that program or small or no modification. As we talk about the previous language, that is language that we are having before the invention of C, what we have to do in that case, we have to write, if we write a program for one computer or we write a program for one system and we wanted to write a program for, and same program we want to run on another computer, what we need to do over there, we have to write the same program for another computer according to its configuration. So that's all about the introduction to the C, and in the coming video we will make a small introductory program how to write our first program in C language. That's all for now. See you soon in the next.